Every country having a capital, some country having 2 or 3 capital, but which country does not have any capital? That is Nauru. How does Nauru administrate without having no capital? To know all about Nauru, let's get into the video. Welcome to Focomate. Nauru is an island country. It having an area of 21 square kilometer. It having 14 districts only. So if we take a ride with a bike, it will take only 15 minutes to complete whole Nauru country. But how does administration work in Nauru without having a capital? Why we need a capital? First, for solving the problem of the citizen. Second, for administrative purpose. In India, we having our capital New Delhi, where President and Prime Minister used to live at the same place. But what if they used to live at the different places? How the problem of a citizenship should be rectified? Yarain is a one district in Nauru which having all the government officials building and parliament houses there. According to some resources, Yarain is said to be the capital of Nauru, but officially Nauru having no capital. So that sounds interesting. For such more updates, stay tuned with Focomate. Until then, let's learn with focus. Bye-bye.